Hello guys, and in today's video we are gonna talk about how to do castle in the game, chess game. So there's three objectives you should keep your mind while castling. First, first objective to move your king from the center to the safety square. Second objective to make sure your pawns are not open from the castle side where your kings goes. Third, protect your king's castle side always. Now some normal principle about the castle. So now let's talk about the game. We have played against someone like named Kira. Now start. I played as white and your first principle is to do castle is to be make sure you castle soon possible. In this game, like you can see, I played the London and why I slip my bishop back to open the rook to attack the opponent. Cause I already see that opponent gonna castle his king to the short side. Means king side king castle he wanna go to do. So I prepare not to go to the king side castle. I think I should go for the queen side castle so I can open my pawns to attack the opponent directly. That's why I'm doing this. I put that he glide back. I develop my queen side pieces so I can castle in the emergency to the queen side as I planned. Now here he made a blunder and I take it. He did another mistake. I take it back. Now he resigns. Now let's move to the second game. Here we should talk about the castle. Before you moving to the next part of this video, before this game analysis, I should tell you this single document can help you on learning about the castle. Everything that explain in this video has should written in many easy language in this paper. So now just check it out. Now let's start the analysis. I also go for London in this case, and also get the idea he gonna kingside castle. So I prepare my attack to this. And before that, I am making my mistakes to not got repeated. So yeah, I'm doing something. As see you can see, I why I put knight here is to simply trade. He goes, I like this. I take like this. It take, and I take. It also take. I go for the pawn attack on the b4. My my knight is going to attack. So yeah, queen, rating the queen check. I simply trade. Now, as you can see, I didn't castle in this game cause I didn't see anything to do castle related to it. Rook got pinned by the bishop, so I take it simply. Now, knight takes. I have advantages, and he simply made it the mistakes continuously like this. Now I have two advanced pawn, and one principle that says to advance your pawn, you always place your rook behind the pawn as a safety. Now there's no banking take that. I move that cause it get broke and it's only taken by bishop and that's a fine. Now he made a mistake. I make queen and now simply wait to checkmate. So how you should do castle is most important. As you can see from the description, you can go to that paper that I am talking about. Now this is the only lesson I give for the castle. In future, I should make another video like this and another video on some topics I would like chess it is. So now meets in next video. You can play with me on my ID with me